So our black tea that we were about to have, I wanted to show you that one. And I think what we'll do is we'll be trying it out in our lovely pearl. This is our brand new one for the minimalist with not too much design. The first thing that we do with our water for the black tea is we actually pop it right into the glass. So here we go, and we're doing our tea water right into the glass. And we're just going to let the steam clear for a moment to make sure that this next way we use it is great. So here we go. And we just take a teaspoon. That's why it's called a teaspoon. So you just put the black tea right on top of the filter like that. And then you're going to actually take that and completely turn it upside down. Now, it doesn't look like much water is in there. We could have put a little bit more, but anyway, you get the idea. Because of that filter, it's actually going to brew on through, and I can already see the bubbles coming up, so that means that we know that it's actually brewing away in there. So I'm going to put that down, and we're going to come back to that in a few minutes, because I have a couple of other things that I really want to show you as well. The next thing I wanted to show you is in regards to, I guess, really the hot chocolate that I was going to be doing. And so the hot chocolate is an interesting one because you can take just straight cocoa. I really like using just straight cocoa because I get to control how much sugar. So I put a teaspoon or kind of a tablespoon of cocoa in there. And then we're going to actually add some honey again. I like using honey. It's much better for you than is any kind of straight sugar. And I am going to just fill a little bit of hot water in there. And I'm going to add some creamer. Where's my creamer? So this makes a lovely creamy hot chocolate. So we add some creamy hot chocolate into it. And then what we're going to do is we're going to shake it, because that will allow the cocoa, the honey to all mix up. And then of course it's going to be nice and frothy and all mixed up because we did the shaking. And after we're done that, that's really a bit more of a concentrate there. So what we're going to do is we're just going to add some water. Hot water then warms it up and makes us a lovely hot chocolate for a cold winter day. People will also put a stick of cinnamon in there too. Cinnamon and chocolate is really nice for a hot chocolate. So we have one more glass here, and I wanted to let you know that we are going to today also make a protein powder shake. We know on the go these days, we're all looking for new ways to be able to get our protein in. It's such an essential kind of nutrient. So I take my protein powder and I just pop right in there. Now I'm kind of a minimalist myself, so I tend to mix my protein water just straight with a little bit of, or protein shake, straight with a little bit of water. So protein powders can be clumpy. And the last thing you want is to be chewing through clumps of protein powder. Once again, the filter, through using it as a shaker, makes a wonderful protein powder on the go. This is a collagen one for lovely youthful skin. So yes, you can just drink it. Of course, the inside glass always washes flavor-free, so that means that you could actually even make martini in there, or you could shake up just about whatever you'd like, and it will always be flavor-free. Of course, they can have coffee in them as well, and once again, that's great flavor-free, because on plastic and stainless, you'll always get that caught up in the flavor. So, look, we've got some lovely black tea now, and what we're going to do is we're actually going to take these two off together, because these are your tea leaves trapped in there, and here's another way to drink your tea. When Once again, I like to have a little bit of creamer in my tea. And so I am just enjoying that now. So all the ways to use a Libre tea glass: hot chocolate, lavender lemon, basil strawberry, just straight cucumber, and the matcha tea, the white tea, and also, of course, our black tea with a little bit of milk. Thanks so much for the opportunity. Bye now.